John 17, verse 18. Just as you sent me into the world, I am sending them into the world. Why will Jesus send us into the world? When we have won, mastered, or overcome something in life, we would love to share it with our family members. We want to brag just a little bit and receive some praise and applause for our achievement. That triumphant feeling is sensationally refreshing. That fulfilled experience filled with excitement, satisfaction, and relief. Well, Jesus wants to brag, and not just a little bit. No, he wants all the adoration and the praise for what was accomplished for us. He wants us to believe and feel that joy unspeakable when the power of God rose him from the dead. He wants you and me to get his vibe. The Holy Spirit vibe is Jesus' vibe. It's also available for us. Come, yes, come, and partake in Jesus' victory over the world. Do this by laying down the world in you in exchange to take up his life as your new life. It will be the best decision ever.